My name is Dennett. I'm the Service Staff Development Manager for the Frizelle Sunshine Automotive Group, and I'm proud to be associated with the AITC. We have 227 apprentices and trainees at the moment, and we're about 900 strong from Lismore to Springwood. I started working with the AITC 5 years ago, and we've got 27 AITC ex-students in our business now.
It's very helpful school to get into a trade and start your apprenticeship off and get ready for life.
I came into AITC really knowing what I wanted to do, and just helped me progress into what I want to be.
AITC helped me find my apprenticeship, find who I wanted to work with, and then from then on they helped you boost your confidence on independence and finding your way up the ladder, and then you keep going up the ladder.
The AITC student is a well-prepared student. They go through a series of processes, they go through some training and development. They're about life skills.
I really liked playing with cars, and that's what I do in my spare time at home. Built numerous projects in the garage, and that's what I wanted to do.
Hands-on. I love being hands-on, and I want to help people as well as switch it up so females might have an opportunity to join a trade.
The end goal is to get someone an opportunity, a career, and develop them in a fantastic company. And the joint relationships between us and the AITC is doing that.
First thing I chose was automotive, and the first place I called was actually Volkswagen Rabina, and I did work experience with them for about 9 months, and they've signed me up.
I've been to almost every dealership we've got under the brand, and Volkswagen is what was right for me.
You love what you do, you don't work a day in your life.
I just love working on cars and do what I love, and then it makes it easy.
It feels amazing, I'm doing what I love, and I'm just progressing every day.
Every day is a new adventure. You're always learning something different.